Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites. Confirm the device serial or IMEI and the iOS version so you know what tools apply. Gather proof of purchase now. Apple requires clear proof to remove activation lock. If you're not the original owner, contact that person and ask them to remove the device from their account. This is the fastest route. Once you have serials and documentation ready, sign in to iCloud.com or prepare to use Apple support with those details on hand. If you can sign in with the original Apple ID, go to iCloud.com, open Find My, select the device and choose Remove from Account. That instantly clears activation lock. If you cannot sign in, start an Apple support request and attach the serial/IMEI plus proof of purchase. Apple will verify ownership before proceeding. Make sure your documentation shows matching serials and seller information. Once the request is submitted, monitor email for verification steps and be prepared to provide extra ID if Apple asks for it. After Apple confirms removal, erase the device and set it up as new. Go to Settings, General, Reset, erase all content and settings, then follow setup prompts. If activation lock still appears, escalate with your Apple support reference ID and resubmit the serial plus receipt. Persistence often resolves missed updates. One troubleshooting tip: if Apple requests clearer proof, provide high-resolution scans or photos of the original receipt showing serial and purchase date. This single clearer image often unlocks the case and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.